What's up, YouTube? MX Dude there. So back with part 2 of the build series. So we did receive a bunch of parts. Engine is fully rebuilt. So we got some front shock. And we got the rear shock as well. All brand new. Fully rebuilt engine. Brand new hot rod crank. All the bearings are new. Seals, gasket, top end. We got a nice 400cc big bore Athena. Actually, it's a big bore 400 from Athena. Yeah, I had the case powder coated. Got a nice high flow Chariot water pump. Lower crankcase vent delete plate. So yeah, nice V-force with billet intake. Oh yeah, fresh build. Brand new shift arm. Not sure if I'm not sure if that's how you call it in English, but that's how I call it. You got some brand new fucking all shot tires. Yep. Beadlock 2. Only for the front. I'm putting stock wheels in the back. So anyway, let me get set up. I'll do a bit of work on the bike and I'll get back to you shortly. Okay, so I got the rear shock installed. Fuck, I love Elka. They look good. It's too bad we can't customize those parts. I would like them to be all black. They would look sick. But anyway, rear shock is on. Now for the front. Yeah. It's gonna be a nice looking bike when I'm done with it. Alright, back one is on. Now for the front one. Elkas are on. Front wheel are installed. Starting to look like a quad. Yeah. I like the beat look. Put some brand new stainless steel bolts. Yeah. Look good. Pretty decent, to be honest. I still need to put some air on the tire. I just put them on the rim for now. I still got the rear ones to do. I'll do them in a few minutes. Yeah. Gonna be a nice freaking banshee, that's for sure. It's just too damn bad I couldn't get those fucking mount black. It look so much better, or gray. I'm not a big fan of the red. It is what it is, I guess, eh? I really like the look of everything when it's new. Yep, made in Canada. I'm in fucking Canada, so it's a plus for me. Anyway, that's about it. I'm gonna put the back tires on the wheel, and but I'm gonna rim the back tires on the rim. So yeah, give me a few seconds. All right, rear tires are mounted. Still need to put some air in, but they're mounted. So I'm about to slap the brake line on, chain guide, rebuild the rear caliper. Rebuild for the caliper, and we got the cap for the valve, and we got some fancy banjo bolt. Oh yeah. Anyway, that should look decent. It should. Okay, I was looking for one of them bolts. I was like, fuck, I'm missing one, but I already installed that one. That's good. That's good. Very, very good. And I'll get back to you when I do a bit more progress. Yeah. Sorry, my shop's a bit messy, but it is what it is. You unwrap new parts and then you slap them on. You don't have time to do fucking cleaning. My junk pile. Okay, brake lines are on. I still need to bleed them. I was just about to install those brake hose clamp. I should have ordered 4 of them, 2 on each side, but I will have to do it one. I didn't screw it all the way in because I'm about to bleed them too. I'm gonna put some fluid. There's no fluid in. Fuck, I'm still waiting on that damn lever. I'm gonna take that one for now. Coming along well, actually. I like working on bikes with all new parts. Easy to assemble. My hands are not dirty. That's fun. Yeah. Decent. Alright. So, I got more progress done. Put some air in the tires. Yes, I did. I did do the back one too. I like those old shots. Yep. So I got rear brakes installed. The blade. Front brake installed too. Got the clutch lever. Kill switch. Got good pressure now. I got the trump throttle installed. Got it powder coated. It look new. It look good. Brand new bolts. So yeah, it's coming along pretty freaking well. So next video I will be putting the engine in, exhaust, and a bunch of other parts. I'm gonna pull that thing out so we can take a look at it better. It's a bit dark in the shop. Only reason I didn't open up the door because it's cold in here and it's fucking hot outside. A few seconds. I'm gonna pull that thing outside and we're gonna take a look at it a little better. And like I was saying, everything is new, so it's gonna be really clean. It is really clean. I do like the look of that seat. It's not tread first, but it looked decent. Anyway, I guess that's gonna be it for that video. Peace out.